Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to take Duolingo English Test. So, the Duolingo English Test is a fast, affordable way to prove your English proficiency for education or other purposes. In this guide, I will walk through how to take this test effectively. So, in order to do this, simply open any browser on your mobile phone, go to the search bar and type in Duolingo English Test. Then hit enter and it will show you this page. As you can see, this says englishtest.duolingo.com. Convenient online English exam, low stress online test. Click on this link and it will take you to this page. Here, you'll have to simply click on purchase a test button at the bottom of this page. When you click on this button, it will take you to another page. As you can see, you'll have to click on continue. Now, choose why are you interested in an English test. So choose your reason, click on continue. Now choose when do you plan to take the test. Choose how did you hear about this. Click on continue. After this, it will take you to this page where you can see you have one test and two tests available. So if you choose one test, it will be $65 each. If you choose two tests, it will be $55 each. So you can choose the test quantity. You can buy now and take it anytime in the next 21 days. So click on continue after choosing the test you want to do. Now choose when you want to receive your results, the same day or after 2 days. So I'm going to choose after 2 days, then click on continue. After this, it will take me to this page where I'll have to enter my email address, country, choose my state, union and territory, choose a payment method, enter my card number, expiration date, CVC, then it will show me my order summary where I will have to click on this buy now for this much amount button and it will take me to my payment confirmation page where I have to just complete the payment and it will easily give me access to my English test. So that is how you take Duolingo English Test. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.